Native state refers to the occurrence of an element in an uncombined or free state in nature. Natural radioactivity, spontaneous decomposition of an atom. Nernst equation, correct standard electrode potentials for non-standard conditions. Net ionic equation, equation that results from cancelling spectator ions and eliminating brackets from a total ionic equation. Neutralization, the reaction of an acid with a base to form salt and water, usually the reaction of hydrogen ions with hydrogen ions to form water molecules. Neutron, a neutral subatomic particle having a mass of 1.0087 atomic mass unit. Nickel-cadmium cell, a dry cell in which the anode is Cd, the cathode is NiO2 and the electrolyte is basic. Nitrogenases, a class of enzymes found in bacteria within root nodules in some plants which catalyze reactions by which N2 molecules from the air are converted to ammonia. Nitrogen cycle, the complex series of reactions by which nitrogen is slowly but continually recycled in the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Noble gases, elements of the periodic group O, also called rare gases, formerly called as inert gases. They are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Nodal plane, a region in which the probability of finding an electron is 0. Non-bonding orbital, a molecular orbital derived only from an atomic orbital of one atom, lends neither stability nor instability to a molecule or ion when populated with electrons. Non-electrolyte, a substance whose aqueous solutions do not conduct electricity. Non-polar bond, covalent bond in which electron density is symmetrically distributed. Nuclear binding energy, energy equivalent of the mass deficiency, energy released in the formation of an atom from the subatomic particles. Nuclear fission, the process in which a heavy nucleus splits into nuclei of intermediate masses and one or more protons are emitted. Nuclear reaction involves a change in the composition of a nucleus and can evolve or absorb an extraordinarily large amount of energy. Nuclear reactor, a system in which controlled nuclear fission reactions generate heat energy on a large scale which is subsequently converted into electrical energy. Nucleons, particles comprising the nucleus, protons and neutrons. Nucleus, the very small, very dense, positively charged center of an atom containing protons and neutrons as well as other subatomic particles. Nuclides refers to different atomic forms of all elements in contrast to isotopes, which refer only to different atomic forms of a single element. Nuclide symbol, symbol for an atom A by Ze, in which E is the symbol of an element, Z is its atomic number and A is its mass number. Octahedral, a term used to describe molecules and polyatomic ions that have one atom in the center and 6 atoms at the corners of a octahedron. Octane number, a number that indicates how smoothly a gasoline burns. Octet rule, many representative elements attain at least a share of 8 electrons in their valence shell. When they form molecular or ionic compounds, there are some limitations. Oil, liquid triester of glycerol and unsaturated fatty acids. Open sextet refers to species that have only 6 electrons in the highest energy level of the central element, that is, many Lewis acids. Optical activity, the rotation of plane polarized light by one of the pair of optical isomers. Optical isomers, stereoisomers that differ only by being non-superimposable mirror images of each other, like right and left hands, also called enantiomers. Ore, a natural deposit containing a mineral of an element to be extracted. Organic chemistry, the chemistry of substances that contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. Osmosis, the process by which solvent molecules pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a dilute solution into a more concentrated solution. Osmotic pressure, the hydrostatic pressure produced on the surface of a semi-permeable membrane by osmosis. Ostwald process, a process for the industrial production of nitrogen oxide and nitric acid from ammonia and oxygen. Outer orbital complex, valence bond designation for a complex in which the metal ion utilizes d orbitals in the outermost occupied shell in hybridization. Overlap, the interaction of orbitals on different atoms in the same region of space. Oxidation, an algebraic increase in the oxidation number may correspond to a loss of electrons. Oxidation numbers, arbitrary numbers that can be used as mechanical aids in writing formulas and balancing equations. For single atom ions, they correspond to the charge on the ion. More electronegative atoms are assigned negative oxidation numbers, also called as oxidation states. Oxidation reduction reactions, reaction in which oxidation and reduction occur, also called as redox reactions. Oxide, a binary compound of oxygen. Oxidizing agent, the substance that oxidizes another substance and is reduced. Pairing, a favorable interaction of two electrons with opposite m values in the same orbital. Pairing energy, energy required to pair two electrons in the same orbital. Paramagnetism, attraction towards a magnetic field stronger than diamagnetism but still weak compared to ferromagnetism. Partial pressure, the pressure exerted by one gas in a mixture of gases. Particulate matter, finely divided solid particles suspended in polluted air. Pauli exclusion principle, no two electrons in the same atom may have identical sets of 4 quantum numbers. Percentage ionization, the percentage of the weak electrolyte that ionizes in a solution of given concentration. Photochemical smog, a brownish smog occurring in urban areas receiving large amounts of sunlight caused by photochemical reactions among nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, and other components of polluted air that produce photochemical oxidants. Photoelectric effect, emission of an electron from the surface of a metal caused by impinging electromagnetic radiation of certain minimum energy. Current increases with increasing intensity of radiation. Photon, a packet of light or electromagnetic radiation, also called quantum of light. Physical change, a change in which a substance changes from one physical state to another but no substances with different composition are formed. Example, gas to liquid, liquid to solid. Plasma, a physical state of matter which exists at extremely high temperatures in which all molecules are dissociated and most atoms are ionized. Polar bond, covalent bond in which there is an unsymmetrical distribution of electron density. Polarimeter, a device used to measure optical activity. Polarization, the buildup of a product of oxidation or a reduction of an electrode preventing further reaction. Polydentate refers to ligands with more than one donor atom. Polyene, a compound that contains more than one double bond per molecule. Polymerization, the combination of many small molecules to form large molecules. Polymer, a large molecule consisting of chains or rings of linked monomer units, usually characterized by high melting and boiling points. Polymorphous refers to substances that crystallize in more than one crystalline arrangement. Polyprotic acid, an acid that can form two or more hydronium ions per molecule. Often a least step of ionization is weak. Positron, a nuclear particle with the mass of an electron but opposite charge. Potential energy, energy that matter possesses by virtue of its position, condition, or composition. Precipitate, an insoluble solid formed by mixing in solution the constituent ions of a slightly soluble solution.